Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about SilverStone XE360PDD dual block AIO CLC for 2P server and workstation. So friends, SilverStone has announced all-in-one closed-loop liquid CPU cooler with two CPU water block connected to a common radiator, and the cooler is made for 2P, means dual socket server and workstation, and comes in variant made for AMD SP5, AMD SP3, and Intel LGA4677 Plus, LGA4710, and Intel LGA4189. And the cooler use a 38 thick 360 into 120 aluminum radiator, and there are 120 aluminum radiator, and there are two aluminum cavities in the radiator that housing coolers to pump, and the radiator put the dedicated piping for each for two water blocks aren't arranged in serial. The Silverstone XE360PDD include three airflow 120 fan, and each of the three comes with dual ball bearing. Fan speed range between 800 to 3000 rpm, pushing up to 95.1 cfm of airflow and 5.2 mm H2O static pressure and 39.6 dBA maximum noise output. And each of two pump turn at the speed of 4000 rpm, and the two water block featuring a copper base. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.